Pamela Marks, and I'm here from MarksvilleandMe.com to tell you about this product. This product is from Trustech US. This is a space heater that was sent to me to unbox and review, so I'm going to open it up right now. It did come in a bigger Amazon box, but because I do so many reviews, I have to open the boxes to see what's in them in case that it was packaged with another product that did not want a video review. So here we go with just the box. So this box was inside of a bigger Amazon box. So we're going to open it up, and at first you're going to see, let me see if I can lift this out. I'm going to put it on the floor just so I can lift it out. There we go. I had a little help from my husband off scene. And it's got these nice, thank you, little wooden things here. Now, in the product description online, it says that this is 6 pounds, but the package actually says that it is 15 or about 14 pounds, and the total weight of the box was 17 something. So we're just gonna move the little pieces here. So it's packaged very nicely until I touch it anyways. There we go. I'm gonna set those all aside. I'm gonna pull the plastic off. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it. This is the front. This is the back. We're going to undo this because I'm going to actually set it right up so we can see how it works. It's really nice. Got a nice light wood case. I would call this almost like a cherry color more than light, but it's still pretty. I'm going to have my husband plug this in. It comes with an owner's manual. It comes with an remote AAA batteries, which aren't included, but I do have them here for us. And I'll give you little specs on this. I'm going to pull my computer over just so I can tell you the specs on this before I start any further. I know that this is 1500 watts. It is 1500 watts. It's 11.96 by 10.77 by 14 by 3 inches. This is a brown and 6 pounds. Like I said, it was heavier than that. It's more like 14 pounds, and the whole package was like 17 pounds. Not sure how they got the weight of it so off, but that's what it says on the box. Now, this is an Air Choice electric space heater. It's portable infrared with remote and timer function, 3 modes with overheat and tip over shut off. That's very important if you have children in your home or bigger animals. They may tip this over. This is pretty sturdy, so being tipped over would take a lot. But just so you know that it does have those safety features. I do like how it has a nice wrap for the cord when you're not using it. Be aware that this was a 3-prong adapter, so you want to have a 3-prong plug to be able to put this in. I'm going to put it on here. So it just made a little beep. And I'm not sure. So there are buttons here we can push too. Like I said, I'm opening this up. So we want it on heat. So you can put it on low or high. You can turn it up and down. Let's see. So right now it's at 86. We like to keep our house. At night, we usually don't use the heater at all, except for in the winter. It'll be set to like 50, 55. During the day when we're awake, it's usually between 65 and 68. So this goes as low as, so 59 is as low as it'll go. And when I was up higher, I should have just waited to see how high it'll go. 86 is as high as it'll go. So that's why it was on 86. So we're going to set it at room temperature, which is 72 for most people. And so that's on, so it's on low right now. It's got 2, 3, 4. So I'm not sure what these are, so let's read the directions and see what those are. So the first one was the power, which I put on. The second one is the mode button, and to select between high and low and eco modes. So there's an eco mode. Let's see if, oh, so eco load, the eco load is on now. And then the third button is energy saving mode. Indicator will be lit when the energy saving mode is on, and that's what we have on right now. The 4, so the 5 and the 4, so the 5 and 6 are the temperature up and downs, like we saw. And then number 8 is a Fahrenheit indicator, and the 9 is a signal receiving window for receiving remote control signal. So somewhere in there is the window. And then 9 is the signal receiving, oh, so so 9 is the signal receiving. So let's see what those numbers, the L2 and L4 were. Like I said, I've had space heaters, but most of ours were just the dial kind, so high or low, as it is for this. So it's still heating up. It's on the eco mode, and so that's on high, low, and then eco, and then we wanna. So eco must be 68. That's what they set it at. So the economy is 68. And I've heard most people, they like in the Midwest, they'll set their heater and their air conditioner at 68. So depending on if they need heat, the heat will come on. If they need cold, the cold will come on. So I think that's pretty cool, and it seems to save them money from what I've been told. So that's pretty easy. Now let's get the remote started. Like I said, it takes 2 AAAs, and I have 2 AAAs over here. Let me grab them out. It's a new package. Let me grab them out, and then we're going to stick them in. Now I get, for my reviews, I really get inexpensive batteries, just because we use so many products. If we use them all the time, the batteries stay, and if they don't, we take them out and use them for the next product that comes in. But here's the on-off button. So that's off. Now will it turn it off? It's on. It's off. Temperature up, mode, timer. So you set timer. So you got your timer. It's for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it can be set up to 12 hours if I'm reading that correctly. Let me just check in here. What's nice is that it has a thermostat, so it will go on and off. I would suggest, because it is a space heater, never leave it running alone. You just don't, if you have pets or animals or even children, you never want to leave this alone with them in their, in their rooms. It could cause a fire. You want to proceed all, cautionary things, keeping it away from drapes and bedding, anything soft, and make sure that, it's away from anything that might melt. Say your TV, computers, anything like that. You just want it in a safe place. I'm just trying to figure out how power on timer. Yes, 0 to 12 hours. So I was right. It is up to 12 hours. And it says the digital display shows the hours option for the timer. Continue to press the timer button to change the number of hours you would like the heater's internal clock to count down before powering itself off. The hour options for the timer are from 0 to 12 hours in 1 hour increments. The timer indicate will remain lit as long as the timer is set. The heater will power itself off when the internal heater clock counts down the hour increments you set. So that's pretty cool. It just stopped now, so it's at 68 degrees. So it has stopped for a little while. Let's turn it up so that we Oh, that's right, we have it on the energy mode, so we can't change it. So let's put it so there, and now we can change the temperature, and then you should hear it. And then you can set this for Celsius and Fahrenheit. So for the people who go by Celsius can do that, and Fahrenheit the other way. So whichever way you'd like to do it. And it's timer. So it's pretty cool. It warms up nice. This is cool right now, but like I said, we only had it at 68. So it might be something that I'm just trying to get the temperature to go up. I'm thinking because, oh, I have it on economy again. There we go. And now we can turn the temperature up. Because it was 68 before, so we should hear it come on. Of course, we have the... So, there you go. So, the heater came back on. I wouldn't suggest touching this, but right now it's cool. But I'm sure it heats up pretty fast once it starts... Yeah, so you don't want to touch that. So it's not cool to touch. I just wanted to check that just so people would know if they had that question. So it's a pretty good space heater. I'm not sure how big of a room it would heat up. I know for me, in our bigger, older house, I would just go into our den and I would have a space heater in there, and I wouldn't have to run the heater for the rest of the house because I only need it to be warm where I was. When the kids got home about a half hour before they would, I would put up the heater to about 68, and then it would be warm enough for them when they got home. So if you're interested in this product from Trustech, check out the links in the product description below, and I'll see you next time with a great product review. Bye!